Hello guys, I am back with a new unboxing video. Please watch this video till the end, and if you like it, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell to get the latest notification. Okay, get started. I am going to unbox today a Wi-Fi device which comes from a renowned company, Tplink. It is a Chinese-based company and it is familiar to everybody nowadays. This device is nothing but an adapter which can be used for any PCs or any laptops to convert that particular device to a dual band enabled device or Wi-Fi device, you can say dual band Wi-Fi enabled device. This adapter supports a maximum of 600 Mbps speed and also a dual band 2.4 and 5 GHz with N and AC band. As this adapter supports AC band, that is 802.11 AC, the transfer rate are about 3 times more than N band speed. The 5 GHz band has a maximum speed of 433 MHz, whereas 2.4 GHz band has a maximum speed of 150 Mbps. This device is a plug and play device. So you just have to insert this device into the USB port of your laptop or PC and make your PC or laptop a 12 band enabled device. So let's start it. Today I am going to unbox this Tplink AC600 Archer T2U adapter. It is a mini wireless USB adapter and it supports USB 2. The speed of this adapter is 430 Mbps on 5 GHz and 200 Mbps on 2.4 GHz theoretically. This adapter cost about 2,499, but I purchased it for around 800. So let's unbox this product. So let's open this product. This is a user manual where you can see how to use this product, but I think this is not required because it is a plug and play product. And this is the product which you can see. This is the product. I'm just opening it. This is the product. It's a small, tiny, slim product which can be used for your PCs and laptops to convert that PC or laptops to a dual band enabled Wi-Fi device. It's a nice, and it has, this is the glass finish it has, and it is very good. I am using this product for last 20 days and this product is excellent in its service. It is giving me the total speed I have on my broadband plan. I am using 100 Mbps speed and this particular product is providing 100 Mbps full speed on 5 GHz band. Let's see how to connect to a PC or a laptop. So this is the device I am going to connect to my laptop. Just connect this to this USB drive. That's it. It starts blinking. It is blinking and it is connected. There you can see now we will see that it is already connected. Now I will click this button. So I have clicked this button and see that this one has been connected to SenseWisNet 5G. So it has been connected to a 5G, that is a 5 GHz band, but my laptop only supports 2.4 GHz band. So this gadget or this device convert my laptop to a dual band device. So this way you can connect your adapter to the PC and enjoy the fastest speed of your broadband in 5 GHz band. Thank you for today, and I will be bringing more and more unboxing in my next video. Please don't forget to click the like button and also don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for getting the latest notification as early as possible. Thank you very much.